Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to operate the sunroof on a 2015 or similar year model Subaru Outback. Okay guys, so first of all, to activate and open the sunroof, there's two different buttons just up here. So this one here, when you push this button, that makes the sunroof go up like that, okay? When you push it this way, it'll make it come back down, okay? Now, to make the sunroof go backwards and forth, you want to press this button and hold it, or you don't have to hold it, it should be automatic, and you see that just opens that. Just like that. And now you can just do the same thing, and it will be automatically closed by itself. Just like that. Okay, and now you have a little cover that you can simply just pull over that, just like that. Okay, and that is how you operate your sunroof on a 2015 Subaru Outback. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Right, peace out.